Tom, you look stressed. What's wrong?
Ashley, I have a big issue.
Okay, tell me what happened.
My internet is down. Completely down.
No internet? Oh no.
Yes, I can't connect at all.
Oh, you're cut off from online.
Yes, cut off.
And it gets worse.
Worse? How so?
My phone data isn't working either.
No Wi-Fi, no data.
Exactly. I can't browse or chat.
What about your neighbor's Wi-Fi?
Password changed. I'm stuck.
So, no internet until it's fixed.
Yes. What now?
Well, you have a free day.
Free day? I feel lost. No internet, no plans.
Don't panic. This could be good.
Good? Really?
Yes, try 1 day offline.
1 day offline? That sounds tough.
It can be fun. We can explore.
Explore where?
Let's start at the park.
The park. Okay, but how do we navigate?
We use a map.
A map? Like paper?
Yes, a paper map today.
Okay, let's try. No internet, just a map.
Here's the park entrance.
The park entrance.
Yes, we walk from here.
Okay, we walk. Look, kids are playing.
Good. I was feeling anxious.
Why anxious?
Without internet, I'm clueless.
No internet means no apps.
Right. I check everything online.
Today, you learn another way.
Another way?
Yes, use your eyes and map.
Use my eyes. Okay, let's walk.
All right, follow this path. Say, which way to the fountain?
Which way to the fountain?
Perfect. Follow me.
Got it. To the fountain.
Nice. Where should we sit?
Near the fountain? I like water sounds.
Okay, let's sit there.
Great. Sit down.
Wow, it feels odd.
Odd? Why?
Everyone's online, but I'm not.
Yes, people stare at screens.
I feel restless. What now?
Look around.
Look around?
Yes. See the trees, the birds.
Okay. Oh, nice view.
Better than a screen, right?
Yes, better than a screen.
See, offline, you notice the world.
Notice the world? I like that.
And you can talk to me.
Yes, talk to you, not apps.
Remember, we head to the museum next.
The museum, right?
Yes, don't miss it.
Don't worry, I'll guide you.
Good. Without internet, I'm lost, but free.
Lost and free. That's new.
Yes, it's different, but maybe good.
You're learning today.
Yes, 1 day offline isn't bad.
Here's the museum.
Wow, it's huge and quiet.
Yes, a quiet place for learning.
Learning, no distractions, right?
No distractions. People come to focus.
Focus? You mean pay attention?
Exactly. To pay attention and learn.
Okay, I'll try to focus.
Good. Let's go inside.
All right, inside the museum.
Look, so many artifacts.
Yes, so many. Where to start?
Let's find history exhibits.
History in a museum?
Yes, exhibits for everything.
Everything? Like ancient tools?
Yes, tools, art, history, everything.
Here, check this display.
Okay, one about ancient tools.
Let's sit by this statue.
Nice spot. The light is soft.
Yes, it feels peaceful.
Peaceful? You mean calm and easy?
Exactly. Calm and easy.
I like this peaceful place.
Now, look at this plaque. It explains tool uses.
Tool uses? Like how they worked?
Yes, how they worked.
Okay, I want to read slowly.
Ashley, this is nice. I can learn without internet.
See, exhibits give full stories.
Full stories, not just snippets, right?
Not snippets, full and clear.
I feel calm, very calm.
Yes, museums make you calm.
Now I enjoy exploring.
That's great, Tom. You see the difference?
Yes, no internet, just exhibits.
Exactly. No internet, just exhibits.
We explored a lot. Eyes tired?
Yes, a little tired.
Then let's rest them.
Rest them? You mean stop looking?
Exactly. Let's go outside.
Outside where?
The river? We can watch the water.
The river? Sounds nice.
Yes, the river will relax you.
Okay, let's go.
Here we are. The river's wide.
Yes, it's open and flowing.
Open and flowing. I like that.
Look at the ripples. They keep moving.
The ripples keep moving, always flowing.
Right, the river's alive.
Alive. You mean it never stops?
Exactly. It never stops.
It feels new. I usually watch videos online.
Now you see it with your eyes.
Yes, with my eyes, not a screen.
Let's sit here on the grass.
Okay. The grass is soft.
Soft and cool.
Yes, soft and cool.
Take off your shoes. Feel it better.
All right. Wow. It feels good.
See? No internet.
Just a river and grass.
No internet. Just the river and grass.
Look at those people. They're filming.
Yes, filming with their phones.
But we don't need that.
We don't. Why not?
We remember with our minds.
Remember with our minds, not videos.
Exactly. A memory beats a clip.
Maybe you're right.
The sun's setting now.
The colors are beautiful.
Yes, gold and purple in the sky.
Gold and purple. I like it.
Listen to the water sound. It's calm.
Very calm.
Do you feel relaxed?
Yes, very relaxed. I don't miss the internet.
That's great. One day offline is possible.
Yes, possible and peaceful.
Peaceful is right.
I feel free, really free.
Free and happy.
Yes, free and happy. Let's enjoy this moment.
Yes, let's enjoy it. The sun's down.
Yes, the sky is purple now.
It's evening. Want to do more?
More? Like what?
Let's visit a cafe.
A cafe? For coffee and talk?
Yes, real talk, not chats.
Sounds nice.
Great, let's go to a cafe.
Here we are, Tom. This is the cafe.
It's cozy with soft lights inside.
Yes, this area is the counter.
Counter, where we order?
Exactly, where we order drinks.
Oh, so many pastries on display.
Yes, menus show what's available.
Available? You mean ready now?
Right, ready now or soon.
You got us 2 coffees?
Yes, 2 coffees. We're set to sit.
Okay, let's find a table.
It's warm here, even at night.
Yes, it's cozy for talking.
Cozy and warm, not like my cold screen, right?
A screen is too flat.
The aroma is rich. I smell every note.
Yes, the cafe is so alive.
This is relaxing. I really enjoy it.
Good. You enjoy the cafe now.
Yes, more than scrolling online.
See, a cafe is a real experience.
Yes, real and warm. I like it.
Let's sip and talk.
Yes, let's talk together.
The coffee's done? Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I loved it. The real talk was great.
I'm glad you liked it.
Now we're walking home. The night feels calm.
Yes, the streetlights make it soft and the buildings glow gently.
The city's alive at night.
It feels good to walk offline.
Yes, you notice more without a screen.
I saw more today and thought more too.
Like what?
Like life's full without internet.
That's a good thought.
I was stressed this morning, but now I'm calm.
So your day changed step by step.
Yes, the park, museum, river, cafe, all offline.
And you did well. One whole day without it.
Yes, and I feel proud.
You should be. You learned a lot.
Learned a lot. Like English.
Exactly. You practice English in real places.
At the park, museum, river, and cafe.
Wes, 4 places, 4 moments. And I repeated new words.
Right. Repeating builds strong words.
I feel more confident now.
Good. Confidence is today's best gift. Less internet, more learning.